Morning YouTube, Scott Lett here, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning, is out here getting prepared for a large commercial job for this school here. Walk out here and show y'all what I'm going to be cleaning. So this is Union Public Schools, probably my third largest customer. This is a new account that I acquired a few months ago. So all of that right there, all that EIFS is what I'll be cleaning. So we'll walk over here and see what we got. Stadium's coming along nicely. You can see all the mold and mildew. I'm gonna need probably a 50 or 60 foot lift. I had to imagine, I just gotta figure out how to get that lift in here. That's gonna be the challenge. Big job. I got it priced at $3,200. That's including the lift. I'll knock this out in probably a day if I can get a lift out here. Probably gonna need a lot of plywood. Probably just gonna drive the lift across the field and then get to work. Probably gonna have to work around that net there. That's what I'm cleaning, guys. All right, so I'm gonna park my truck probably horizontally like this, and then I'll be able to pull a hose through here and then boom, straight shot down through there. I have another 200 feet of 1/2-inch hose. I may have to attach that because I mean, not only do I need to get there, I've got to go up, you know. But honestly, I could probably go to where that red awning is and hit the rest from there. So a lot of planning involved, guys. That's the reason this is a high ticket job. You know, you gotta have the right equipment, you gotta know how to plan, you gotta get a lift. You can't just show up with a truck and, you know, get this done. So, and you know, I have to have someone with me to protect the windows. I don't want to get SH all over them. So yeah, that's the plan. Drive the lift down through here, set up behind the goalpost there with some plywood. Big Zeus is gonna be around the corner there, pull hose, get to work. I can do this in a day. All right, guys, just wanted to share with y'all some big jobs that are coming up, give you an idea of how the commercial world works. Always plan ahead of schedule. I've been talking to the construction superintendent. He gave me a lot of good information. So, all right, I'll be out here on May 24th. Good morning, YouTube. Scott Lett here, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning. Hope you guys are doing well this week. I'm headed to clean a fence inside and out. It's gonna be a pretty simple job. I'm gonna use my 12-volt system today since I don't have to reach up very high. I'm just cleaning a fence. So I disconnected my feed hose to my gas pump and connected my hoses from my 12-volt here. And I'll be using my J-rod. I've got my fence cleaning mix here. There's not going to be any pressure involved. It's all going to be a soft wash. And then I'm going to go clean a pool deck and a back patio for a reoccurring customer. Got my oxalic acid here and my pump sprayer for that. This is the wood cleaner that I use, mixed with a little bit of SH and some soap, and it turns the wood, like, makes it look brand new. So no pressure involved. all soft wash. That stuff works great, guys. I was using a product called Deck Wash by North Star. Recently just changed to this and it works much better. So I put about a quarter of that bottle in my 25-gallon 12-volt tank here. About a quarter of a gallon of SH and some soap. And I'm gonna apply it on there, let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. And then I'll go back with my pump sprayer here, or I may even use my X-Jet and or put some azelaic acid in my X-Jet reservoir and apply it that way. Maybe a little faster. I'm not in a huge hurry today. My jobs are pretty spread out. I can't get to my next job till like 1 o'clock, so I do have some time to kill. May go run a few errands today, but so yeah, guys. And then tomorrow we have a field day. We got 3 jobs, so. All right, guys, I'll see y'all out at the fence cleaning job here in a second. I'm at Subway about to grab some lunch. There's this older fella who's cleaning his windows. Figured it'd be a good time to learn. So I'm no professional when it comes to window cleaning. I do clean windows, but when you see an older guy who looks like he's been around the block a few times, you know, doing something that you do, you watch and you learn. I mean, he knows exactly what he's doing. He's making it look super easy. Those windows look great. Gonna watch and see what he does. Always learn, guys. The older gentlemen have been doing this a long time. They know what they're doing. He's making this look really easy. Those windows look really good. So I'm gonna take some time and watch this guy. Maybe I'll learn something new. All right, guys, I'm here at job number 2. Got my X-Jet over there set up. All they want me to do is just remove the pollen off their furniture, off their pool deck. I am gonna saturate everything with some SH, and I'm gonna rinse their windows for them. Very simple job. Literally just rinsing off pool furniture and the pool deck. $175 and about 30 minutes of work. So, and crank the machine, apply my chemical, let it dwell for a little bit and give it a good healthy rinse. And I'm done for the day. Easy $500 day, guys. All right, guys, so nice easy day, nice half day. I got a lot of things I need to do to my truck. I got a big day tomorrow. I got 3 jobs, a small job in the neighborhood, a gutter cleaning job, and then a pretty big job for a reoccurring customer. It's a beautiful home. It's about 10 minutes from my house in this very wealthy neighborhood. I'm gonna be cleaning their driveway and their pool deck. I cleaned it last year. I don't know if I posted a video or not of this house, but anyways, I'll record it tomorrow. High ticket jobs, $700 job. I think tomorrow I'm gonna make around $950. It's gonna be a full day, but yeah, I mean, there's not many careers out there, guys, where you can, you know, work 4 hours and make $500 and then the next day make $950 to $1,000. You know, I mean, that's 2 days of work, and it's just amazing. So you guys who are, you know, on the fence about this industry, or you're not sure if it's gonna work, or you're wanting to quit, or just realize, you know, it is hard, but once you make it, once you figure it out, once you get your equipment where, you know, to where you're knocking down jobs fairly quickly, efficiently, and to where you can knock down 2 or 3 jobs a day, you know, and make 500 to 1,000 bucks a day, you can live a really good life, guys. So that's my encouragement is like, yeah, it's tough to get started. I mean, that's any business, guys. Doesn't matter what industry you're in, it's going to be tough. There's a learning curve. You got to learn how to market your business, build a brand, figure out your niche, you know, figure out the equipment, how to do the cleanings properly. There's a lot to it, but once you make it, and you get the experience, and once you solidify that marketing plan where you're generating, you know, lead flow, and you're booked out 2-3, you know, weeks or even a month out, you're gonna live a good life, you know. And busy season usually lasts from 1st of March until, for me, you know, I didn't slow down until like October, mid-October, you know. And then even the winter, I had some gutter cleaning jobs, and I stayed fairly busy, you know. Once you get to the point where you are generating that consistent lead flow, you can make 6 figures by probably year 2 or 3. So just realize, guys, you know, the first year or 2 may be really difficult. It may take some time, but once you make it, you can have a really good life. There's not many careers out there where you can make 500 to 1,000 bucks a day, and be home by 2 or 3 o'clock. So, but yeah, guys, it's been a great day. Got a big day tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Probably won't record the first job in the morning. It's just a patio and front porch, but I'll record the gutter cleaning, and then the really nice home I'll be cleaning tomorrow afternoon. So, all right, guys, see y'all tomorrow. Scott Lett, Pro Exterior Cleaning.